Hello everyone, I am Prashant, one of the mentor with eCoaching. So today I'll be talking about the recent update coming from IIM Udaipur. So IIM Udaipur, the cutoff which was set for IIM Udaipur this year, those who have appeared for CAT 2021, is 92 percentile. If you have 92 percentile, you can get a call from IIM Udaipur. And if I talk about the sectional cutoffs, so for all the three sections, verbal ability, reading comprehension, logical reasoning, data interpretation, and quantitative aptitude, percentile is 70 percentile. So individual in all these three sections, you need to get 70 percentile. That's the cutoff, and overall the cutoff is 92 percentile. When we are talking about written ability test, which is the case with all the new IIMs, all the baby IIMs, so in common admission process, they have removed the written ability test for a very simple reason, because it's not possible for IIMs to conduct and judge the students on the basis of VAT, because considering majority of the IIMs and the common admission process also will go online. If I talk about while appearing for the final merit list, IIM Udaipur will be considering 60% weightage on CAT score. Yes, 60% weightage will be on CAT score and 15% weightage will be on personal interview, right? So 75% weightage will be there on these two categories. So those who have a decent CAT score and will do decent in personal interview have good chances to get into IIM Udaipur. So keep watching more videos like this. Stay tuned with eCoaching. Thank you.